Good AM. Today is April 9, 2024 Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 9, 2024 Tuesday. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 AM draw result from Mandawi City under Pionat Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, April 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of April 9, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.